And today we will show electrical loom. This is fire door. In electrical loom we use fire door. Okay. So now let's see electrical. This is electrical loom. So first we see electrical panel. Okay. This is electrical panel. It's floor electrical panel. Okay. Electrical panel, lighting power panel, facade DV, row power DV, lighting DV, lighting panel, row power panel, and facade panel. Okay. These wires comes from main electrical loom, means ki LT panel. Okay. ST panel, sorry, it comes to from ST panel, high tension volt, high volt, and now divided different category by cable tray. Okay, and now let's divide. This is three phase panel. Okay, and now in common means outgoing from panel goes to from here goes to DV. Okay, from here goes to DV. Before starting this panel, first of all we see the safety alarm. This is a smoke detector for fire burnt or any other thing like smoke will here generate, and this is I'll forget. This is clean, sorry, this is clean agent. Okay, and this is zone control fire alarm system, means controlling the full areas, full floor by this damaging the wires and smoke detector. So we here is using electrical loom. Main thing is this is main control zone control system. Okay, this is camera to controlling anything. Okay, this is safety chart is very important in electrical loom. This is safety wire, how to treat it, give the first treatment if anything will happen. And this is light, this is ISO light. One light is emergency light, one light is normal light. Okay, and this is portable in emergency light. This is, I hope you are seeing, looking clearly, it's a speaker and it's a volume control damper type AC grill. This is AC grill, this is also AC grill. Okay, we see live VCD for fresh air and other is for chilled air. Okay, and this is volume control, a speaker for a speaker purpose. This is two model box for lighting. This is for power, for emergency purpose and anything. Okay, we also use a data type, data box for any future purpose. Okay, now let's see DV. So this is RP DV, row power DV, LDV, lighting power DV, AC DV. Okay, IDU DV. Okay, AC IDU DV, incoming outgoing same. So let's see the row power DV. It's a row power DV. Here one thing is missing, SLD is missing, so here use SLD. Okay, it's a 12-way TP and DV, 12-way TP and DV, 12-way TP and DV. Okay, see here SLD, clearly SLD. This MCB, one minute, and this is lighting power panel for This is power panel 4 lighting DB. From this is this is lighting plus power panel. Okay, so here you use MCB 40 amp. This is MCB 40 amp, and it's divided in three phases: red phase, blue phase, and yellow phase. Okay, all have 10 MCB. Okay, so all this is 3 pole MCB, means ki 4 pole, like one is neutral and 3 is phase. Okay, phase come from panel, and in this going to this MCB, and after this MCB divided in 3. One phase red phase, yellow phase, and blue phase. All have 10 MCB. Okay, and before goes to the MCB, firstly goes to ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. In some DB we use MCB. Okay, 4 pole MCB, and after 2 pole MCB after this. ठीक, but in Sachinda electrical panel, here we use ELCB, but in other company have use here not use ELCB, directly use MCB, but 2 pole MCB. Here is 4 pole MCB. Okay, 4 pole means 1 neutral and 3 is phase, R, Y and B, red phase, yellow phase and blue phase. Its phase is same, but name is change. Only red, yellow, blue means ki it's divide the wire, and we clearly understand this phases. So here is 3 phase, and from after this MCB goes to the one phase goes to red phase, one is yellow phase, one is blue phase. But after this goes to the ELCB and ESCB. Here also we see after 4 pole MCB, this is okay. One minute, my camera not looking clear, so but we are trying to show you. This is 40 amp. Before this MCB 40 amp MCB 4 pole. So this is 40 amp MCB 4 pole. Now from this goes to red R phase, 40 amps ELCB. Okay, 40 amp ELCB yellow, 40 amps ELCB blue, 3 phases, and all phases have a 10 MCB. After ELCB goes to MCB, so first we see here MCB 4 pole MCB, and this is single pole MCB. Okay, same all is same.